otsheni-ke bakithi ugcina kanye-ke noPhakamani. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the minutes from the 2nd to the 4th of June 2025 on Monday. Velephi finds herself on a relentless quest. Some game messed with the wrong one. Busi warms her way into Sibongile's heart on Tuesday. Velephi attracts hungry lions through Phetheni. Although Phetheni is at her wit's end, she refuses to let go of the life she's built. Gcina is caught red-handed with forbidden fruit on Wednesday. Kwenzo decides to help Stanley and lift him out of poverty against Njengaye's wishes. Sangweni returns and turns Vuma and Samge's world upside down to Velephi, or to help Velephi. Nelsiwe, who walks in on something scandalous. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.